Our first team is from Centennial High School, Level 1, Category Savory. The students are Milan Preston and Maggie Fowler.
So I know you mentioned you used olive oil, correct, as a fat. So olive oil is great, especially because it helps increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. I just wanted to test and see. Do you guys know of 3 fat-soluble vitamins?
Yes. Yeah. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K.
Our second team is from Rancho High School, Level 1, Category Savory. The students are Montserrat Valencia and Alejandra Perez Montez and Bailey Wilk.
I learned that you have to work as a team to get everything ready and prepared so none of us go behind.
Our third team is from Palo Verde High School, Level 1, Category Savory. The students are Benny Mellinger and Isabel Sanchez.
So I know you guys used olive oil, which helps lower blood pressure. Do you guys know 3 other foods that can also help lower blood pressure?
I believe berries, dark chocolate, and garlic.
The fourth and last Level 1 team is from Northwest Career and Technical Academy High School, Level Category Savory. The students are Inez Perez, Christy Schneider, and Azaria Patino.
I didn't know about all the health benefits that ginger had. I didn't know about all of the minerals that it had in it and all the vitamins that it had in it, and I'm definitely grateful for being able to be here.
Our fifth team is from Centennial High School, Level 2 Savory. The student is Zoe Weeks.
What made you choose lentils?
They're just a very underused ingredient and they're really good for you.
The sixth and last savory team is from East Career and Technical Academy, and the student is Jimena Guzman.
After creating this dish, I've really learned to enjoy eating vegetables in a way that usually I don't eat because my mom will just steam them and add some salt.
Team number 7 is the first Level 1 dessert team, and it is from Palo Verde High School. The students are Christina Stepanovsky, Andrea Levada, and Milena Asanova.
Our highlight ingredient today was spelt flour. Spelt flour is very high in fiber and it's very nutritious in terms of its wonderful effects on your circulatory system and your digestive system and your bone health.
Now we have team number 8 from East Career and Technical Academy High School, Level 1 Dessert. The students are Pedro Andrade and Diane Avil Marquez.
Flavors for Life has actually helped us become aware of what we put into our bodies.
Team number 9 is the last Level 1 dessert and is from Centennial High School. The students are Charlotte Moore, Jaleese Bilran, and Ariana Reed.
We learned that we can make food a lot healthier with different ingredients. As we tried before with the cream cheese, we also learned about the blueberry benefits and how they can affect health and everyday life.
The first team, Level 2 Dessert, is team number 10 from Southwest Career and Technical Academy High School. And the student is Rizal Antipuesto.
My highlighted ingredients are pandan and mangosteen. Pandan is very nutritious because it has cancer-fighting properties. It is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. And my other highlighted ingredient is mangosteen. Mangosteen also has cancer-fighting properties, but is also good with helping with oral hygiene, along with boosting energy and fighting against depression.
Our last team of the 2022 Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Competition is team number 11 from East Career and Technical Academy High School. Level 2 dessert. Students are Claudia Mates and Giselle Martinez.
And then we saw how much sugars the crepes contained and how much fat it needed to be constructed. And we thought that was absolutely absurd. But we made a healthier substitute so anybody can eat, people that have diabetes, high cholesterol, and we really love for you guys to enjoy this.
Are you ready to hear who are the winners of the Flavors for Life Next Gen 2022 competition? Are you guys ready? Okay, cool. Okay. Team Level 1 Savory winner is Team 1 Centennial. Team Level 1 Dessert winner is Team 8 ECTA. Team Level 2 Savory winner is Team 6 from ECTA. Team Level 2 Dessert winner is Team 11 ECTA. Now we will announce the top team overall winner. And the winning team is Team 4 NWCTA. Our top student chef is Roselle Antipuesto.